Hello, this is Michael Donito from MarketSight. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to show you how easy it is to use MarketSight's online software to analyze research data and share your findings. During the demo, I'll show you how to upload a dataset from a recent project, review and edit your data, modify variables and create new ones, create a crosstab showing statistically significant results, create charts and export to PowerPoint. Next, I'll show you how to bring multiple charts together to create a dashboard. Finally, I'll show you how to share access to your key findings in a password-protected website for clients and colleagues. Thousands of researchers worldwide use MarketSight every day because it's the easiest, most powerful online solution for analyzing research data and presenting findings on the web. Let's take a look at how it works. I've logged into MarketSight and I'm on the home page. In the Dataset section, we see all the data in this account. I'd like to upload some new data to work with, so I'll upload an SPSS file from a survey project that was just completed. I just find the file on my computer and upload it to MarketSight. In addition to the SPSS file format, you can also upload Excel, SAS, and SSS files to MarketSight. You can also use the Data Sync feature to connect MarketSight directly to the most popular survey tools, such as Confirmit, Qualtrics, Kinesis, and several others, so your latest data is automatically available for analysis in MarketSight. You can see that we've organized our projects into folders and subfolders. Everyone with access to this account will be able to work with this data if they have the right permissions. MarketSight makes it easy to review and clean the raw data by creating a data view. To do that, simply select the data you'd like to see. You can preview the data here and see the full screen by closing the editor. Then we can delete any rows we don't want or make changes to individual cells. MarketSight is applying those changes right now. Now let's take a look at the variables in this dataset. Here we can view and modify names and codes. We can also view summary statistics for this variable. We can also create new variables based on the variables that were uploaded with this dataset. For example, to define a market segment that we would later use in crosstabs and charts, we could combine the values for income, gender, and age to create a segment such as high-income males aged 35 to 54. Let's go ahead and create a crosstab. All I need to do is choose the columns and rows that will appear in my crosstab. As I design the crosstab, I can see a preview on the right. I could configure many other elements of the crosstab, but I'll just use the options that I've already set up. As I look at this new crosstab, I can see right away that we have some statistically significant results because of the color-coded highlighting and informative pop-ups. MarketSight runs the appropriate stat test automatically and displays the precise results in a very intuitive way. Now let's make a quick chart from this part of the crosstab. As you can see, it takes just seconds to create the chart. This looks good, so let's save it. I'd like to point out that this chart is interactive, which means that anyone viewing this chart can look at any of the data on the underlying crosstab. To show different variables or modify the filter for this chart, just select the different options from these menus. Interactive charts are very useful for enabling others to interact with the data in a highly visual and engaging way. I can also make additional changes to this chart. As you can see, there are many other chart types and additional options for formatting charts. Let's make this a bar chart and then save it. Now let's export on a custom template. MarketSight then begins the export and keeps me updated on the progress of the task. I could go ahead and work on other things while MarketSight creates the PowerPoint file, but this will only take a few seconds, so we'll be able to open the file right away. Here's my presentation, complete with all the underlying data for each chart, which I can see when I view the data for the chart. Because exported charts are created as native PowerPoint objects, I can now work with this chart as if I'd created it in PowerPoint. The next thing we're going to do is create a dashboard, which brings multiple charts together on a single web page to highlight an important set of findings or key metrics. To do that, we go to the dashboard page and click New. First, we choose a layout. I'll make this one a simple 1x2 dashboard. Next, I'll drag and drop the items from the list on the left onto the dashboard on the right. I can select charts and crosstabs from the current project or any other project to be included on this dashboard. I can also change several other things about the dashboard, including the size of the cells, the background colors, the borders, and the margins. Notice that the interactive controls for the chart are also available in the dashboard. Our final objective is to publish select items to a secure client portal called Key Findings, so we can share these results with clients or colleagues who don't have a full MarketSight license, but have free access to Key Findings. Let's go ahead and share this dashboard. All I need to do is click on this Share button and then select Add to Key Findings. On this window, you can see that there are already several other items that have been published to Key Findings, which can contain items from any dataset in your account. I'll select the folder where I'd like to publish this item and click OK. Now let's open Key Findings to see how it looks. As you can see, it's a clean, simple website that can also be branded with your logo that makes it easy to share your key findings for each study. On the left is a table of contents showing everything available on this page. You can see the other items that were already published to Key Findings. Each item is displayed on the right, complete with the interactive controls we've set up. Items in Key Findings can also be exported to PowerPoint or Excel. This page is unique to each account. It is secure and requires a username and password to access. In addition, you have complete control over the permissions for each individual item on the page. Best of all, access to this page is free. You can set up as many usernames and passwords to Key Findings as you like at no charge. It's included with your MarketSight account. Many of our clients use Key Findings to share results with their clients. It's simple to use, and clients place a high value on having online access to live results in this interactive format. You can also provide your clients access to the full application where they can take advantage of all of MarketSight's features. Well, that concludes our demo. We covered a lot, including dataset upload, data editing, working with variables, crosstabs, statistics, charts, PowerPoint export, dashboards, and Key Findings. If you like what you've seen and you think it might be useful in your work, I invite you to sign up for a free 30-day trial today to get instant access to all the features shown in this demo and much more. We encourage you to upload your own data during the trial to use MarketSight on a current project. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to give us a call or send an email. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thanks for watching.